In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Deliveroo vehicle type. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the app, what to search for, and how to submit the request so your account reflects the vehicle you want to use. First, open the Deliveroo app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and you're signed into the correct account associated with your rider profile. From the home screen, tap the profile option at the top of the screen. This takes you to your account area, which is the quickest route to rider resources and support. Next, tap Become a Rider. Even if you're already delivering, this section also links to helpful rider information and forms, so you're in the right place. Now, tap the Deliveroo logo in the upper left corner of the screen. This is a handy way to reach the help and support hub that contains articles and account update links. In the Help Center, tap the search bar. Using search here is the fastest way to find the exact page you need without digging through multiple menus. Type change vehicle into the search field. Keep it simple and use those two words so you'll get the most relevant result. Press enter to run the search. You should now see support results related to updating your vehicle details. From the results, tap the article titled, "How can I change my vehicle type?" This opens Deliveroo's official guidance on the process and links directly to the form you'll submit. Inside that article, tap the link that says clicking here. This takes you straight to the request form for changing your vehicle type. When prompted, tap yes to confirm you are currently delivering with Deliveroo. This ensures you're directed to the correct version of the form for active riders. Enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your rider account. Consistent details help support match your request quickly. Enter the email address linked to your Deliveroo rider profile. Double check for typos so you receive any confirmations or follow-up messages. Enter your rider ID. If you're unsure where to find it, it's typically visible in your profile or in recent official communications from Deliveroo. Finally, follow the on-screen process to finish. You'll be guided to choose your new vehicle type and provide any information the system needs. Before submitting, review everything for accuracy, then send the request. After you submit, allow some time for Deliveroo to process the change. You'll usually get a confirmation once it's updated, and your app should reflect the new vehicle shortly thereafter. That's it. Quick, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next shift using your updated vehicle type.